everybody. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream session. Today is going to be an interesting one, guys, because something is actually about to happen right now. So before I break down what we're going to speak about today, okay, my intro and all, let me just speak about this move that is happening right now, okay, so that you guys can see live now potentially what is about to happen, okay. So basically, based on the way and my foundation of how I personally trade, okay, I like to be able to understand where market makers are. Okay, for those that don't know, maybe you're new. Okay, look, it's breaking. This is exciting. Okay, for those that are new, thank you so much for joining the live stream today. Okay, if you are not sure what I'm talking about, market makers, right? Basically, they are the people who really have power to move the markets. Okay, just think of it that way to make it as simple and easy to understand. They are the people who can push the market up, down, okay. How low also? You see this move is a tremendous, beautiful move to the downside. Only they can do it. Us, right, retail traders, right? You know what we can do potentially? We can do this, these small candles. This potentially what we can do. Yeah. But the big moves, right, on how market actually, how to say, flows lah. Okay, we can just say it that way. Only market makers have the power to actually do it. Okay, so the base of my strategies foundation, I like to identify and understand where are they. So before Asia's session actually begins, I was able to notice that bears were present. All right. On top of bears were present, usually, okay, when the market makers are here, right, it's quite easy to know because they will be setting footprints. Footprints, what I mean by that is I actually released a video a few days ago as a live stream whereby I explain in detail what footprint actually is. Okay, so if you would like to understand about that footprint a little bit more, okay, I will highly suggest that you go and watch that video. I mentioned in my previous live stream that I will leave a description in the link below for that video, okay, but I didn't. But I will make sure after this live stream I include the link in this video and that one as well, which I did yesterday. Okay, so you guys can click on the link and you can watch that video whereby I give you guys a fun way of how to remember, okay, what a market maker actually is and potentially how to even find them in the markets. All right, so this, based on my trading strategy, I was able to identify they were actually present here. Hello, thank you so much for joining the live stream. So they were potentially here. Okay, that's why hence like why price move down, right? They choose price to move down. Okay, so on this area, I'm also able to identify this order block zone. Okay, once price came into this order block, okay, see, it's starting to push price down. Why is it pushing price down? It is because, like I said, the market maker who decided to come into play today so far is the bears. Bears and bull, okay? There are two terms in trading. Bull we refer to as people who are pushing the market up. Bears we refer to people who are pushing the price down, okay? So they're not necessarily people, okay? I like to determine them or call them as people, if you may lah, all right? But we always say bullish trend basically means a trend that is moving up. Bearish trend means a trend that is moving down, okay? So because bears are present here and then there's an order block, okay, just above it, sorry, just below, okay, the box, the little red box. This is part of my trading strategy lah, okay, so don't get confused. Hey, why is there a box there? It's part of my own trading strategy, that's all. So what I expect price to do is whenever price comes into this order block zone, price should be moving back to the downside, okay. The reason is very simple. Like I said, bears came into play. Okay, this is their footprint. So when price comes into London session, I saw a move up. Okay, but the reason why I didn't highlight uh, anything, especially in my Discord community, to aim for buys for London. Okay, the reason being is because of this order block zone. Only if this order block zone is disrespected, then I will be informing you guys lah for potential buy opportunity. But I was waiting patiently since 3 p.m. today. Like literally, I was just looking at the charts for so long. And then when I start to see, okay, rejections, okay, finally there is some sort of streak happening. and then we're starting to see a push down. Really, it was so long, guys. Okay, I was like, even up to this point, I was already looking at the charts here. Okay, so long, man. But that's the thing about trading, right? You have to be patient. You really, really, really gotta be patient. Trading is basically us fishing. Okay, if you want to think it that way, basically it's us fishing. Why I say that is because when we go for fishing, right, we have to be very patient, right? We have to genuinely wait for the fish to come. Okay, it may take hours and all, but the ones that are truly, truly patient are usually the people that get the highest reward lah. Okay, these are all we know lah, right? So that's the thing lah right now. When price comes into this OB zone, I'm also expecting it to push away. But on top of it pushing away, we also are able to identify, hey, there's actually potential liquidity sweep area here as well. Okay, so when we see liquidity sweep area and then price also came into an OB zone that has been preventing price from moving higher as of now only, right? Later on New York session, we're not so sure. New York session very strong. Okay, so I was anticipating the price will be going down, and I'm happy that it is lah. Okay, and then on top of this liquidity sweep area that I'm able to identify here, okay, I was able to draw out this trend line also. I know a few of you guys may have learned other how to say SOPs for drawing a trend line where they say at least three touches, right? Okay, but the way how I'm drawing my trend line is not for the purpose to find a support range. What I mean by that is generally, okay, when people draw trend lines, okay, the reason is because imagine this is a bullish trend, okay? Let's say price is going higher, okay? Price comes down. Basically, people use this trend line as a, I won't say a safety guard, as a guide, okay? To remind ourselves that as long price doesn't disrespect this trend line, price still starts to move higher, then we are still in the bullish trend. Okay, but the moment price starts to break below it, then the trend might be ending. Okay, I'm not using my trend line just to determine this structure. No, my trend line, why I draw it, even though there's just two touches, there's a purpose to it. Okay, I'm just doing this for me to understand if this shape of liquidity is going to be a confirmation where price is starting to move lower. So I drew this trend line understanding, okay, that price is moving in a bullish structure. But when price came to this point, this was a swing failure structure because price didn't manage to close above this highest point of the candle line. Okay, basically the wick. Price didn't close above this zone. Instead, price actually saw some rejection. Hence the reason why there's a wick here. Later I'll remove the arrow, then you guys can see it. Okay, so you see, bullish move. All right, now we're seeing a bearish move. Hence the reason why I drew this trend line just as this is my own just personal preference lah. Okay, just to see if price will be breaking through it or not. That's it. That's it. Nothing. To be honest, nothing very special about it. It's just something that I personally like to do based on my own trading style. Okay, because I mentioned many times before, trading is a Rubik's Cube concept. How you choose to solve your Rubik's Cube, we all know there are thousands, maybe even a million combinations out there that can solve a Rubik's Cube, right? But all of them, regardless whichever you choose, you can eventually solve that Rubik's Cube. Same thing with trading. This is just my own preference of trading. You guys don't have to use like this sort of trend lines for any sort of confirmations or anything. It's nothing. Don't be so tied to the things that I teach. I'm just showing you my strategy. Feel free to customize. Feel free to add in your own flag. Feel free to add in your own experience. If you don't have experience at all, just copy mine, and then maybe if you learn more things from what I teach, maybe you can rearrange it. If I do something step 1, step 2, step 3, maybe you can start with step 1 and then step 3 and then you go to step 2. Also can, because like I said, trading is so complex. It is your own Rubik's Cube. How you solve it, it is up to you as long as it works, guys. Okay, as long as it benefits you. So early today, teacher, you okay? You're looking a bit tired today. Yes, I'm a bit tired today. Early today because for Hinduism today we have a very special day today. The day is actually called Sivaratri. So it's a day where we will be going to give respect and blessing, not blessing, respect and prayers to uh, one of like the most powerful gods in Hinduism. So his name is Shiva. So we won't be sleeping up to I think about 6 a.m. So I was supposed to take some rest also this now, but I didn't. I was so focusing the charts. So that's why I was a bit tired already. But then later on, I'll be going to take some rest now before I go for the prayers. So it's like confirmation rather than entry. But yeah, just this is just my own preference lah. So you see, you saw right? We captured this live, huh? Okay, this didn't happen just now. Because I was so excited to start already. I was like, oh, finally something's happening. Because I was waiting so long. I was expecting after this rejection here, price was going to start to move down. But then when I saw price move above, I was like, okay, never mind. It's still within the range. Okay, I don't expect a London session to break through this. The reason being is because based on price action, we can see only this first leg up was a strong one. But when it reached to this point, because of this OB zone here, we are seeing rejections. Can you see how many weeks? This is called rejection. So that means buyers and sellers are fighting even more aggressively around this area. Sellers are more aggressive, that's why they managed to push price down. And then buyers still want to try. Okay, still sellers are more aggressive, hence they push price down. That's why we are seeing this sweep of liquidity as well. All right. So most probably they came to this point and then they achieved their goal already, which is just to take out certain points of liquidity. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So better I do my intro. Okay. Now I do my intro. So after 11 minutes of talking, hi, hello. If you're new here, my name is Guna. I've been trading for the past 3 years now. So what I do here on my YouTube channel, basically, I teach trading concepts, daily mappings, my fundamental analysis, my technical analysis, all of those good stuff lah, that a trader should know and should have ready prepared lah, okay, deep inside yourself, all for free. Okay, that's right. I don't charge you guys even $1. The only thing I charge you guys is your time. How much of effort you're willing to put into yourself, into joining our live streams, into learning, asking questions. Okay, those are the real rewards that you will gain for yourself, because all of these things I'm doing is really in hopes just to build genuine traders, because that's a goal that I had, especially after I find a strategy that works for me. Okay, I finally found the path to profitability. Then I was like, I had another goal, which is I wanted to create an environment of genuine traders. We know lah, and out there, there are so many people that are just claiming that they can trade and then they charge a lot of money, but at the same time, they actually don't know how to trade. They're just charging basically like a scam. We all know lah, there are many people like this. I am one of the, I cannot say candidate, but people that kena this kind of stuff before. So I'm doing this also in hopes that all of that can stop, so that people don't have to go through anybody pay to learn and then get scammed and whatever lah. So I just showing you guys live proof every single day. You guys can watch other of my live streams on how we catch trades live to show you the potential of genuinely really trading and how it actually works. It's actually not that hard or not that complex, guys. It's just what people usually make you think, but it's not. To be honest, trading shouldn't be complex. The more complex you make it be, it's already complex. Okay, the more complex you make it be, the way you think right in your mind is going to be so much more difficult for you to actually trade. Okay, if you really are interested into becoming like a trader, okay, you want to take it a step ahead. Again, still don't have to pay me anything. There's a link in the description below, 100% for free. All you have to do is tap on the link. It will lead you to a Google form. You just have to register, put in your details, follow the instructions there. Once you're done, you can text me in either one of these. Okay, you can send me a text on WhatsApp, or you can send me a DM through my Instagram page and just let me know, hey, Guna, I've already registered through the form. What's next? I will invite you personally myself into the Discord community where you can join many other like-minded traders that are already there, already started trading and earning profits as well. Okay? Because being in the correct environment for who you want to become someday is as important as working hard to achieving your goals. Because I personally have worked very hard in trading, but it took me 1 year and 7 months in order for me to really see something. Okay? But I realized after 1 year, 7 months, When I started to see something, okay, well, other traders also managed to see me, okay, genuine traders, really people trading one from Taiwan. So then I managed to meet them and then speak with them, hang out with them for a few months. Just within a month, my trading changed, and we never spoke much about trading. I never changed my strategy because I spoke with them. Nothing. It's just because of the like-minded people and environment and energy that I was surrounded myself in. It made my trading even better than it was before. So that's the same thing that I wanted to do for you guys, which is why we have this Discord community whereby you guys can genuinely join, okay, for free, and then you can learn more in depth, more exclusive things that I only teach solely there. Okay, because the next upcoming event is basically me showing you step by step of how I perform my day-to-day trading based on my own personal customized strategy that you guys can just customize it on your own. My strategy is so simple to the point that really you can customize it on your own. Maybe you like some concepts like maybe you like maybe you like fair value gaps. Maybe you like order blocks. Maybe you don't like order blocks. Maybe you like liquidity sweeps. Maybe you don't like liquidity sweeps. Maybe you just trade off trend line or maybe support and resistance. Can you just understand my trading, how to say, concepts and foundation? Okay, and on top of the foundation, you add in your own elements, you add in your own flag, you add in your own indicators if you use indicators. I personally don't really use indicators. The one that I use is not really indicator, it's just something to give me a bit more clarity, which is this. This is just showing me the sessions because I like to understand who is in control in which session. Okay, this is the only thing. And then I have this higher high, higher low. So this one is just if I'm finding it a bit difficult to understand the trend for some reason. It's been a while since I used this really. Last time I only trade with this without this account trick. So it just show me the trend. Okay, it will just show me a bit more clearer things lah in terms of am I seeing a higher high or higher low like that. Okay, I used to use this a lot. And then volume. Sometimes I use volume just to understand. Once I understood who is actually in control, the volume sometimes helps me to identify, is it true? Is it really bears are in control? Are we seeing more bear candles compared to bull candles? So that's all basically. Yeah, this is the only things that I use, guys. I'm not a highly indicator based type of trader. I'm solely trade based on price action. I mean, you guys can see that I literally just draw this OB here. I just identified that this is bears. I drew this trend line, and then I told you guys price was going to break it. Break, so it's going down. That's it. No indicators except this Asia and London lah. Without this, I don't like to trade. I feel blinded for some reason. You see, I feel like what's happening? Why is everything so white? Yeah, personally lah, because I've been trading with it for so long already. Really long time already. I've been trading with this already. Many months I've been using this. So now I'm so used to seeing these colors, and it makes me feel a lot more comfortable understanding that in this session, who was in control and what happened. Currently in London, who was in control and what happened. Okay. On top of that, what high or low has been taken, where potentially the market may be heading to next. Even this one here, right, guys? Actually, if you enter for sell, right, this would be a good time if you guys want to just exit also. The reason being, right, because price is slowing down, you must ask this question. I understand price already broke this trend line, okay, and then it's moving, but why suddenly it's slowing down? The reason is because this is a fair value gap. Oh, sorry guys, I used the wrong one. I used a box. Let's use this. This is a fair value gap. This is the end of the fair value gap. And what fair value gap is this? This is a bullish fair value gap. So this is the reason why price is a little bit struggling here. Okay. Usually if I were to enter this trade, right, this would be my entry. Okay, trade would have ran down. I would have set my DE already right now. I wouldn't mind if price takes me out or anything. I wouldn't mind. Okay. The reason being is because this mechanism of a bullish fair value gap acts, okay, as a form of force pushing price up when the price comes back into the gap. Okay, this is the bullish fair value gap. So when price comes in and price fills it up, only if price disrespects it, okay, price closes below, then this will consider as an inverse fair value gap. What tends to happen? Sometimes price just continues to move down. Sometimes price will come back Okay, use this as a jumping platform to push price even lower. Okay, but it depends on which scenario plays out lah. Okay, it only depends if price closes below or not. Then only the scenarios that I share with you guys, one of the two will be happening lah. Okay, because I never seen a scenario where price come here and then it go this. I never see this happen before. Like this happened before. I think I don't trade already lah. I changed my profession. Okay, guys. So this is basically what I want to show. Like, I wanted to show you guys a live example of this is not a trend line. This is just how I trade. Trend line based on the books. You need at least 3 touches to conclude it as a trend line. If you can see, there's no 3 touches, but I still use it. Okay. This is a OB zone. Okay, this one is according to the books lah. Okay, but the books, some say draw the whole candle, some say just draw the body. Okay, there are some even just say draw the wick. Okay, just like this, just draw the wick. For some say like this. Guess what? All of them are correct. You see, if I just draw the wick, see, candle came in. You see, candle touched it, and then start to move down. If I draw just the body, guess what? Still correct. This one, yes, it did close a bit above, but just one candle a little bit close, and then the very next one is move down, means it's considered still respecting the OB zone. Okay, is it? Can I come in? Close. Can I come in? Close. Still correct. And then I give the easiest example. I don't usually draw my OB like this, but usually for my live streams, I like to draw it this way because it gives a lot more bigger space and easier for me to teach you guys and let you all know that this is actually an OB zone and OB area. I used to draw OBs only like this. For example, like this. Yeah, just this line is an OB for me. You see, comes in perfectly and then it pushes down. Yeah, I used to draw OB only like this. If you see my very backdated videos where I don't talk usually. I don't show my face. Okay, because I was Batman that time. But I usually use my OB zones like this now. You can see clearly in those videos. I changed now because this one is a lot more easier for you guys to understand and easier for you to get the concept of how to actually draw an OB zone. Just use the whole candle guys. Okay. See, okay, so we can see now price is actually starting to move lower. Okay, so maybe price will be disrespecting this bullish fair value gap. If that happens, then we potentially will be seeing. Oh, my cat is here. Hello, cat. You want to give me a hug? Okay, so potentially we'll be seeing a move towards the downside. Okay, my main question and my interest right now is actually pertaining to New York session. Because I initially was thinking that New York session will be coming into this order block range and not London session. To be honest, this is just my honest thinking that I'm sharing with you guys. Okay, this is what I thought. This was my thought process. So I usually, what I would do, this is generally what I do. I know I told you guys I was sitting in front of the computer and saying, yes, it is true, especially from 3 p.m. But I didn't sit the entire way. Okay, no means that I cannot work out and everything. All right. The moment when price came into this zone, okay, before that, I will always set an alarm. You know, in trading, you can set an alarm. See, add an alert. Okay. So my alarm actually went off. Okay, when price came into the zone, my alarm will automatically off. But after making a sound now, of course, hence alarm, right? Okay, so then I start to come back to the computer. Okay, my cat is here again. My cat, I think, wants to eat my microphone. Guys, let me finish what I want to say, then I go and put my cat away. Wait, is my microphone okay? Okay, you guys can hear me clearly, right? If you guys can hear me, then it's fine. Right? Okay, so once my alarm went off, that is when my true sitting around time actually begin. Okay, then only I start to see and understand, okay, what am I looking at right now? Okay, is price going to respect this order block zone and push towards the downside? Okay, because to be honest, okay, first glance, okay, of London, it showed me bears were in control, bulls were in control. The very first glance, okay. Usually when bulls are in control, right, guys? Okay, this is just my, how to say, my understanding of the market, based on what I've seen many times. Bull will not have an issue to push price up. Okay, at least, okay, taking out Asia high, but it didn't. It went very close, but it didn't take out Asia high. Okay, at least it would have taken out Asia high, but in this case, it didn't. It really didn't. It didn't manage to even take out Asia high. So that's why I was like, I initially thought New York session, we will be seeing a push towards the upside, heading into this zone, and then potentially maybe, if it respects it, okay, and do certain things that I want to see, of course, we may be seeing it moving more towards the downside line. Okay, this is just my thinking process. Okay, it doesn't always happen on how we predict it to be in trading, and that's totally fine. Okay, that is part of trading. Okay, if trading everything also we can just anticipate, right? Everything also we can just, how to say, predict that easily. Everybody can be making money in trading super easily also. Yeah, to be honest, it sounds nice also lah, right? Yeah, but there's a reason why lah. People say 90% of traders actually do not really make it into the field, and the only balanced 10% are the true ones that actually can trade. Okay, but again, to be honest, I feel everybody can trade. It just depends on how badly do you want it. The reason why I say this is because trading will play a lot with your emotions. Okay, it will really, 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 how to say, make you go haywire about your emotions. It will make you doubt yourself. It will make you blame yourself. Okay, it will make you feel anxious. It will make you feel nervous. It will make you feel sad, worried. So many emotions in trading. Even though you just see, the only thing you can do is sell or buy the market. And the only thing you see other than that is green candles and red candles. That's it. Literally, that's it. But it can make you go insane. Trading really is a mind game. It really, really, truly is. The stronger you are, okay, in how you can actually control your emotions, the stronger you are in terms of how you can actually control your mind, the much more stronger and stronger trader you will become. Okay, of course, the only way to become strong, like for example, if you want to gain muscle, okay, of course you have to work out, right? Same thing with trading. If you want to be good at controlling your emotions, especially in trading, you have to trade. If you want to be good in becoming a trader, you have to trade. Okay, exactly the same concept. You want muscle, you have to work out. You want to sing, you have to train to sing. You want to dance, you have to train to dance. If you want to cook, you love cooking, but you have no idea how to cook. Like me, I don't know how to cook, but I love to cook. So I go and cook. So far, the past 2 days, I managed to cook ayam masak merah. Okay, I managed to cook the first time my chicken curry. Everything came out super nice. Okay, I am not lying, huh? Okay, I have proof. My wife also say very nice. Okay, so you see, I don't know how to cook, but I love to cook. So because I went and do it, I learned already. Not everything, okay, but I still remember those dishes how to cook. I don't have to look at the instruction or anything. It's really in the back of my head. The reason is because I went and did it. Same thing in trading, guys. If you guys want to become even better traders than you already are, you have to trade even more. If you want to be good at controlling your emotion, you have to trade. If you want to be able to predict the market much better, guess what? You have to trade. Okay? Don't worry about, if I don't know anything means then I take losses means how? Loss is part of trading. If we have that mindset, it is very difficult to trade because even one small loss will affect us so much. I'm saying this because I personally think the same way. Not many years ago, 1 year, 7 months, so a few years ago, lah. Okay, I personally couldn't accept even a single loss. So I got get this concept yesterday. Actually, maybe I will say it again. There's this one day I was trading forex back then. For those that don't know, we are actually doing crypto. This is crypto. There's forex. Okay, forex also you can trade crypto, but forex is mostly referred to. We refer to, how to say, like gold. Okay, other currency pairings. Euro, GBP, JPY. They're very popular ones lah. Usually when people think about trading, right? especially when it comes to doing it through a phone. Yeah, people always refer to forex. Okay, I was trading forex at the time. I remember also it was euro. I think euro USD. Yes, euro USD. I think it was euro USD or GBP. I cannot fully recall. I'm not so sure even if it's gold also or not. Cannot fully recall which currency it was because it's a very, very long time ago. And then this was the time when I thought I found a strategy and a process of the trade. So then what happened? I actually won 5 trades in a row. Okay, 5 trades in a row. I won or one. I never did this, Usually I will be winning like 1 or 2 times. Okay. And then the next one usually will be like a single loss or something like, okay, because the time I'm still like training. Then I this time I win 5 times in a row. So I thought, oh my god, I cracked the code. I know how to trade. Okay, so I still want to trade some more. Okay, like 5 wins not enough. Like I said, I never got 5 wins before, but I still felt it's not enough. This is part of emotion, greed. So then I trade. I lost one. Okay. The good thing is, even back then, my loss ratio, right, the percentage, always stays the same. Even back then, I trained myself. So if I lose one, okay, the risk to reward, my risk is always, sorry, reward is always higher. So from 5 trades, I lose one. So I am still in profit, okay, because I still got 4 winning trades. You know what happened? I couldn't accept losing because I had that mindset that I cannot lose. What if I lose? Yeah, because I'm too afraid to lose. So when I lost and I realized, yeah, if I never trade means I got win five. Now man, let me trade again. Maybe I can win again, then I will go back to having 5 winning trades. The next one I think you all know now. When I trade, I lost again. Then I got 3 winning trades and 2 losing trades. Still in profits, huh? Again, remember this, I'm still in profits, huh? Again, I cannot accept. I was like, no, this now I win 5 times. Now I really lose 2 times. Let me try. I go trade again, I lost again. But the thing is, right, I'm still now in profit because I got 2 winning trades and my risk to reward, again, like I said, the reward is always bigger. Okay, 3 times. Okay, so I'm still in, how to say, still in profit. Okay, of course lah. You know what I did lah. The next one, what I did, I increased the lot size. Okay, so that I thought in my next trade I can at least cover back 2 or 3 one shot, 2 or 3 losses lah. Next trade I lost everything. Not my account, but everything that I won for the day, and I was in negative for that day. This is just because I was too afraid and didn't like that I saw a red number in my account. So just understanding this portion, right, showed me the importance of acknowledging and accepting that loss is part of the trading journey. When you guys face losses, just know that it is part of the journey and it's fine. As long as you know how to say, protect your capital, okay, proper risk management, it is fine. If you face losses, just remind yourself it is part of the journey. No matter what losses I gain today, all of them are lessons. Okay? In trading, when you face a loss, study them. If you put a buy, but then it went down, for example, let's say here, this one. Okay, let's say we were aiming for buys because we saw this trend line. We thought, okay, when price comes here, price will bounce back. Okay, so that means okay, like this will be our entry, this will be our sell below this low. Okay, imagine this. Okay, let's say 1 to 3 lah. Okay, 1 to 3 of here. Okay, all right, this will be our entry. Okay, and then we lost. Okay, then we be like, alamak, we're supposed to, price supposed to go up. Why is it going down? Because overall, we are moving in an upward trend, right? So why prices suddenly go down? But the thing is, right, it is okay for us to lose. But when we lose, okay, we have to start to analyze why did price go down instead of going up? Because based on this, right, what we're seeing here right now, okay, I'll make it bigger. Okay, see, just based on this right now, price is moving up. Correct or not? We are moving towards the upside. And we can see arrow. We are moving towards the upside. We can see it's very clear. So that means by right, this should be just a pullback and then price should be moving up. But why are we moving down? So this question you must actually ask yourself. Whenever you guys face a loss, then you just remember you put it, you actually place the order for a buy or a sell. Let's say you put buy like this example, and then you went down. Ask yourself, why? What did I see that I thought it was a buying opportunity? What else can I see that this also potentially could be a selling opportunity? Okay, so then okay, we can analyze back. We can remove whatever we draw after we saved all of the reasons why we buy lah. You must save it, must journal. Okay, then we reanalyze this section. Okay, and we know okay, bears are actually present here, so they could took control of the market. Hence why the market actually moved down and never traded above the zone yet. There's also an order block here, which is why whenever price comes back to this zone, be kind to yourself, guys. Really, just be kind to yourself. Don't take it harsh on yourself. Whenever price comes back to the zone, price kept pushing back down. Okay, this is what we call chart behavior. Okay, just remember that. Okay, it is repetitive at times lah. Okay, so when it comes down, see, it repeats again, goes down. So what do we expect here? Of course lah, it repeats again lah. Okay, so when it repeats again, then we just draw this, not really trend line, like I said, this is just my own version of trading. Okay, then when it breaks through, see, price also disrespect this bullish fair value gap, hence the reason why we are moving towards the downside. Okay, once you understand why, okay, journal it. Once you already journal that, the very next time when this sort of thing happens again, guess what will happen? You guys will be able to identify and understand to prevent this from happening again, right? This is also another sweep. This will be another beautiful entry, to be honest. The reason being is because the sweep happened at the same time you also touched the OB zone. When this happens, right, usually we see a strong push down. Hence the reason why you see a sweep happen in the OB zone. Now we're going to see a strong push down. Potentially we'll be taking out this range. Okay, potentially it'll be coming low to a lower than London low lah. Potentially. Okay, because again we have to remember, okay, New York session also is about to kick in. All right, when New York session kicks in, then I will let you guys know lah. Okay, I will be going also for the prayers later on, but during New York session, I will still be with my computer. Okay, so I will let you guys know lah. Don't worry, I will send it inside of our Discord community. So for those that actually are interested into also understanding about the way we predict and potentially what may be happening later on during New York session, you guys can feel free to join our Discord community, whereby we will be sharing all of these exclusive and interesting predictions, okay, live to you guys. So potentially you could also be following the trend, like how we shared one just now, just here. Okay, very easy to join. Like I said, the link is in the description below. All you have to do, click on the link, register. That's it. Just let me know. Remember to let me know, because when you guys let me know, only then I can send you guys the link. No, means how you guys want to join the Discord community. All right. If you guys face any issues also, especially in joining, okay, if the link is not working or whatever, because a few of you guys have informed me that before, I apologize. I start to find out that Discord link actually has an expiry date, but then the latest one so far, I managed to make it to the point it won't expire lah. But again, if you guys facing any issues, please do let me know. Okay, then I will help you guys now. All right. Let me see. I think I got share a few more things in our group that maybe I could share with you guys. Let me see if there's anything. Oh yeah, no. Yeah, today nothing much because earlier on I just got mentioned about bears actually coming in, so the market did move down. Hence, like now lah. Okay, even from this point here, right, this is actually one form of a sweep, and then price moved down, but this bearish fair value gap was not respected. And then in my mind, I was totally fine with it because why? My main focus and my main target area is this zone. That's it. This is the only zone that I want to see when price comes in, what it will do. Okay? Because so far, based on the market behavior, every time when price comes in, we are seeing a push to the downside. Okay? So based on this alone, okay, it helped me understood the reaction that I should be expecting based on my technical analysis. Of course, like there's few more things all based on my own strategy, okay, that I have implemented to have a stronger confirmation. It's not just based only on this thing only. Of course, no. Okay, because in trading, okay, well, as another trader gave this concept. This doesn't belong to me, okay? But the concept goes like this. They said, you guys know what is a twig? I think you guys should know that. Basically, it's a very thin stick, right? So in a twig, right? If I give you one thin stick, I ask you to break it in half. Easy, right? Please don't say hard. I know it's easy. Okay? Very easy lah. Okay, some people even just with a few fingers can break already, right? Because it's only one thin stick. Okay, imagine a toothpick, just a toothpick, break. Okay. Hold on, we got some question. Hello, Durga. Thank you for joining. So, how do you do journal? Like screenshot? Is it? Oh, last time yes, I screenshot. I wanna ask them question too. I think that's how we train. Yes, that's how we train discipline. No, I don't screenshot now. Last time, what I do in my laptop, I have the Notes app. So I used to screenshot and then I put it there. But the problem is when I go and open it back, right, to read through, the screenshots cannot be opened. They cannot be found. So don't worry. I actually got purchased journaling. How to say? Not software, but a journaling thing lah that I will give to you guys for free. Since you guys have joined the Discord community, right, the exclusive Discord community. In our next session, that where I mentioned, no, I will be teaching you guys my strategy, like all of these things. So during that session, I will teach you guys journaling also. That is part of the slides, huh? And then I will share with you guys the journaling, not software, like I said, it's something I purchased, but you guys just have to use Notion. Okay, you just have to have the app Notion, also a free app. So you guys just have to use that. I'll teach you how to journal also. So you just can use that to journal moving forward. I will teach you how to journal also, don't worry. Thank you for asking the question. Wow, sounds like looking forward to that session. Yeah, coming soon. I supposed to do it last week, but then I didn't manage to finish the slides over the weekend. But don't worry, like I said, I will do it by this week for you guys. Okay. Then during the session, I will teach you my strategy. On top of that, I will teach you guys how to journal, and I'll pass you also that thing for free, so you guys can literally start after that session. I to be honest, you guys have to journal after that. I want to see. Okay. The path to becoming a very successful trader starts with us taking the effort to journal our trades. Okay? Because journaling, in a way, is a good thing. You know why? Because when we are trading emotionally, usually what we tend to do after a loss, we want to enter again. But because you know, alamak, I have to journal. So after you enter, you lost already. Then while you're journaling, okay, usually when you start to read the reason why, whatever, and then you start to feel like, hey, yeah, why I entered this trade? Actually, it's supposed to be buy, not sell. It will help in terms of countering your emotion, in a way. Okay, in a way. But you have to make it a true effort, through, how to say, dedication, that once every trade is done, regardless win or lose, even if you see another trading opportunity, since you win or lose already, journal first. Okay? Yeah, don't worry, I'll teach you guys. Okay? Thanks. No worries, no worries, no worries. This is something I want to do from my end because like I said, I want to build up you guys to become genuine traders, right? So I need to do my best also to give as much value as possible to you guys. Okay, just download the app if you haven't already. Okay, in your phone also, it's just called Notion, Notion, Notion. It's just a white app with the N word in it. You can find it in App Store, Google Play Store. I have it on my laptop and also on my phone because my journaling usually I do on my laptop, but I just have it on my phone because sometimes when I'm out, I just like to see it so I can just read. Yeah, because I usually journal on my laptop, but I just use my phone to read it sometime when I'm outside now. Okay? Yeah, guys, so you see, based on just this simple foundation of our technical analysis, a few lines, order block, market behavior, it repeats itself. So last time I got mentioned this in one of my live stream titles, right? The market repeats itself. Really it does. Really the market repeats itself. You know, Even you see this, see this move here, okay? New York usually always will have manipulation phase. Okay, usually lah. Whenever manipulation phase happen, it is just to trick people to enter the market in the opposite direction before the true expansion happens. Okay, this is not a true expansion, to be honest. New York true expansion means it will really continue moving in one direction. Okay, but the manipulation phase was actually here when people start to see, oh, candle is starting to move up. Okay, you see, bullish candle actually coming in, and then this long wick. Actually, this is a long wick. Okay, this is a long wick. Before this long wick, right, we won't see it as red. Okay, because this one is already closed candle. This would be a green candle. The candle would have went up to this high. Many people would have been entering buy, 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 buy. Okay, because they would have thought that this was the first manipulation phase. Right now, we potentially are going to see the expansion. But actually, oh sorry, I accidentally locked this. This is the true manipulation phase, and this is the expansion. New York usually does this, okay? And guess what? Like I said, the market repeats itself. Okay, see? This one is very beautiful. This one, it never really give us a manipulation. Like I said, sometimes if you just keep going, see? Yeah, keep going. This is pullback. This is no manipulation. Pullback, keep going. This is what I really like to see. Okay, this one is manipulation. Manipulation, expansion. This one, no lah. This one was the most weirdest market structure for New York I've ever seen in my trading career. New York session, I never seen consolidation. I will be very honest, I never see consolidation. This is the very first time in my trading career I've seen New York session have consolidation. Something was very off this day. It was so weird this day. Okay, see this one. This is what I mean by true expansion. See, it will really move down in a single direction. This one don't have manipulation also. See, got lah, slight one lah. Okay, very slight one manipulation, and then we start with true expansion. Okay, New York usually starts like this one. Yeah, this one a little bit more difficult. See, this is manipulation. This is also manipulation. Okay, then this is the true expansion. New York like to do this. You see not? It repeats. Okay? You must just remember this. It repeats. Just based on going back, right? Based on the prehistorical data, without using the replay option. I know the replay option is a paid version, okay, of TradingView. In my opinion, it is a very worth upgrade. You guys don't have to get the original version. Not original. I mean the how to say? Subscribe to it through their platform. Okay, if you guys use Shopee, there's also like a lot of cheaper versions. One of our trading friends also in the community have mentioned is about, I think, 19 ringgit. Yeah, so you guys can actually go and check it out there lah. Okay, so all you have to see is market repeats itself. Just go back to historical data, have a very clear mindset, clear everything out of your mind. Don't put in your mind that you want to predict the market. Don't put in your mind you want to anticipate where it will go. Nothing. You just want to go back, watch a movie. That's all. The movie is how frequently the market is doing the same thing. That is the movie. Okay, the movie maybe sound boring, yes, I know, but that is the movie that you're going to go and do right now. Okay, just go back to the previous market data and see every Asia session what is happening, every London session what you can see happening, every New York session what you can see happening. What is the pattern that you can see? What is actually repeating itself? And how frequently is it repeating itself? Are there certain things that happen before it repeats itself? All of these questions you can literally find out yourself, just depending on how much of hours and effort you put in yourself into the market itself. All right? Let's see. Hello, Kay. Thank you so much for joining. Yeah, it's been a long time. Long time we haven't seen you so in our live stream. I hope everything is okay with you now. Thank you so much for joining today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. If you guys don't mind, okay, I want to go and refill my glass of water. Not my glass of water, my bottle of water. One thing I like, ever since I started doing live stream, right, I start to drink a lot more water, which is a good thing because I'm talking a lot also. Okay, so you guys just enjoy the music. Have any question, feel free to just let me know in the chat. Okay, then once I get back, I'll reply to you guys. You guys just watch and see this price action. If we will be going below London low, let me just mark it up. Okay, you just let me know. Huh? Enjoy the music first, guys. Wow, look at the chart, guys. Almost London low. Amazing. This one all we just did live also. Sorry guys, a bit delayed. I actually lost my phone. Actually, it's not lost. It's in my house. Of course, like it's in my house. Like. I just didn't know where it was. First time I was like, hey, after my water, I said, hey, where's my phone? I went to find it. Finally, I get to find it. So actually, in plain sight lah, to be honest lah. Let me see. Recently, emotionally losing straight, settling down and getting back in trading soon. Okay. Been through the phase. James recipe. This is your purchase today. And moving to the day. I still stop. Because I know still using several straight. So thanks to this. MC. Yeah. I think every trader history also sure got MC one. If you guys trade, okay, until to the point you guys like margin call your account, right? To be honest, good job. You are in the trading journey already. Okay, don't worry if you guys margin call. Don't worry if you guys lost 50% of your account. Don't worry if you guys even just lost 10% of your account. Trust me, in trading, right? Especially if you guys are just learning, you all know this. You all just remind yourself. You all know I'm learning. Okay, I want to become a trader. I know I'm a trader, but I'm learning. I'm in the learning phase right now. In the learning phase, we will make mistake. And what is the mistake in trading that we can make? Losing. That's the mistake that we can make. Okay, and it is okay to do that. If you want to how to say, go to the gym. Okay, let's say you want to build biceps. Okay, for those that don't know, biceps is the muscle in your hand lah. Okay, actually it is a very bad example. There's a lot of muscles in your hand. Okay, you know lah, the people always show one, right? Okay, that's biceps now. Okay, in the gym, if you want to train your biceps, okay, it's very simple. Just like, oh, you just carry dumbbells. No, it's not that simple. Okay, there's a lot of techniques. You can make mistakes in many places. To be honest, the way how we breathe when we curl, if you do it wrongly also, it's a mistake. Okay, there's so many different areas of mistake we can make. In trading, there is only one mistake we can make. What is that mistake? Is losing. That's all. So remember this, you cannot avoid this mistake 100%. It is bound to happen eventually. But when it happens, it is never a bad thing. Okay? I know hearing it is a lot more easier to say it than really go through it. Okay? But trust me, whatever you guys feeling, I feel also. I went through also. Okay, I never blow up one account. I think I blew up 3 personal accounts before, 2 funded accounts before. Uh, yeah, 3 personal accounts before. First it was 1 personal account, and then another personal account, and then I blew up 2 funded accounts, and then after that I blew up another personal account. 5 times I blew up accounts, and then the blow up is not, if I just put in money and then I blow up straight away, I will feel better than I put money in, I made money to the point I got withdraw some money, keep making money, and then it blew up. And then the next one, keep making money and then blow up. More painful, to be honest lah, because you already see something growing and then blow up. But through all of this thing happening, I start to realize actually they are all lessons. They are all teaching me something that is preventing me from greatness, which I still have a long way to go. Huh? Okay, I'm not saying, oh, I'm already at the top. No, we are all growing together. Okay, I'm not no way near the top. Okay, we are all growing together. Well, what I'm trying to say is all of those things that happen, right? Those mistakes. Okay, like I said, trading only got one mistake, so we cannot avoid this mistake. Uh, when we make those mistakes, just remember that there's a reason why. Okay, trading itself wants to teach us why. Okay, the reason why, what is my mistake is, I'm very, very emotional. I really don't want to see even one single loss at the time. That is my own personal mistake. Okay, when I see losses, I personally want to trade again. No matter how much or so I want to trade until I see I win back the loss amount. Okay, this is my mistake. When I learn to stop, okay, really just stop. That's why I mentioned this yesterday, so in my live stream. As a trader, you will know you are on the right path when you have the power to tell yourself when enough is enough. When you have that, okay, your mindset literally over 50% is already in the correct mindset already. Okay, because like I said, in trading, only one mistake you can do. The mistake is losing. That is all. You cannot make any other mistake. But at the same time, when mistakes happen, it is up to you to tell yourself and remind yourself, enough or not, or genuinely are you not emotional? No, you're okay to take another trade. Sometimes, right, after I blocked so many accounts online, when I found profitability, when I make losses, it's not necessary I don't trade. I still got trade, okay? But I don't trade emotionally because the losses, for example, we follow the same example. Let's say this was a buy, okay? This is a buy. 1 to 3 is here. Okay, 1 to 3 after here, lah. Okay, trade. Keep myself, of course, lah. Man, it went down. It's not supposed to go up. It's supposed to go down. Okay, but whenever I place the order, okay, I don't pray anymore. Please don't hit myself. Please don't hit myself. Please, I don't pray anymore. Last time I used to pray. Please don't hit myself. They cannot. Don't hit myself. Now, whenever I set a trade, I only put an amount I'm okay to lose from the account. Okay, so personally, as a starting for trading, right, I would recommend you guys to do the same. Find an amount that you guys really feel that you're okay to lose. You must feel that way. No, you're okay to lose it. It doesn't significantly change any part of your day. Blowing up the whole account will change your day. Okay, but choosing an amount whereby if it loses, right, you feel nothing, that one won't change your day. Okay, and when that happened, right, when I did that a long time ago, right, it helped me change a lot, especially how I see the market. Because when kena already, right, I no more feel like, oh yeah, kena already, I lose this much. Never. And after that I kena, I know what I feel. Oh, asal, I wonder why. That literally, not acting, this is really what I went through. I'm like, it kena my asal. Let's go and see why. Is why it went down. After I say, God, I don't feel anything. I feel okay. The reason being is because I made myself, I changed my mindset, and I was determined to make sure the amount I lose, okay, whatever amount there may be, everybody is different, okay, it is amount that I am personally okay to let go. When you trade like this, trust me, your mindset, your emotion, right, will become so much more stable because you know, even if it goes to your side, it won't affect you, it won't change your day, it won't MC your account. Okay. For those that don't know, MC means margin call. Okay, margin call means you block your whole account. Okay. Yeah. So this is just an advice like I can give you guys. No worries. Thanks for the advice. Awesome. So happy to see you guys helping out each other. This is what I mean by trading community. We all learn from each other, especially in teachers community. I appreciate that so much. So as we don't give up, it's still not the end. Yeah. If we give up, only we lose, guys. If we don't give up, we cannot lose. Trade with the amount that you are okay to lose. Yes, yes, so important. Because trading is real mind games. Our mind gotta be strong. Yep. If you trade with the amount that you guys are really okay to lose, okay, you are also training your mind to make it stronger and stronger and stronger. Okay. Remember, keep reminding yourself, you are in the learning phase. Okay, learning phase. When you're in the learning phase, if you see a red color in your account, don't look at other people, other traders online, all, and you see, wow, so much money, so much money, my one all red, I'm not going to make it. Don't. You are in the learning phase. All of the traders you see online, even myself also, don't think, oh, blue, 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 there's so much of red, guys. We all been through all of the red days. Okay, every step, everything you guys going through now, okay, the other traders all that are successful today already went through. Okay, so just know that you are in the correct path to being where you want to be. Just keep moving forward. Okay, but main thing, don't be afraid to trade. Okay, the only thing that will make you become a better trader is trading. Nothing else can make you become better. All right. Oh, okay, I thought MC meant medical leave. Lucky, I had a feeling. I was worried if anybody thought the same thing because last time when in the trading community, they got mentioned also MC. I also thought the same thing. I thought like, oh, maybe they lose a lot of money, so they got sick. Or maybe lah. Actually, no, it's called margin call. MC hence margin call. Okay. Ah, thank God we clarified that already. Okay lah guys, actually this is considered quite a successful trade lah. Okay, the moment we see like this okay, but potentially actually I feel still market can go lower, but we can already close our trade from here lah. Okay, because why? Market already broke the trend line. Okay, it went down. Market already broke this bullish fair value gap. We went down. Now market potentially slowing down because we still have one order block here lah. Okay, still have one order block here. Not a very strong one, to be honest. How to determine a strong one? I got teach before. Let me just briefly mention again. Look at the candles. This is the order block because the last red candle before the move up, right? Where you see green, green, and then we have a pause, red. Green, 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 pause, red. Green, red, green, 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 red. You can see how many pauses are. Okay? If you versus this one, okay, you versus this one. Uh, hold on. Okay, this one, okay, yeah, very big red candle. Okay, got one pause, yes, okay, then got few pauses here, okay, fine. But then you can see based on the market structure, right? You see this green, 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 green. Do you know how strong is this? This is considered very strong, you know. You know how many bulls have to constantly keep winning with the bears? Because like I said, every candle they are fighting with each other to close in a single color. Do you know how much of money and how much of power it takes? So much, guys. Compared to this, this big one, okay, this one is really somebody with very big pockets now, okay, so he don't really need that much effort. But these ones are the smaller candles a bit. It's a lot of effort. Consider they really want to break through. The moment it come, you see red, 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 red. Can you see? Whenever it come, see red. Okay, one pause, red, 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 red. Can you see? Kena red, red, and then pause, red, red. It's like a lot of red candles keep on popping every time market comes into this order block zone. This is how we determine a very strong order block range. This one, market didn't really make a flying movement or anything like towards the upside now. Okay, like this one is only a very big red candle, or this one. This is also considered another order block. This is called internal order block. This is an order block inside of our external order block. Hence why when market come here, we push down. Why is this a very strong order block? Because the moment the last green candle, you see red, 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 red. You see how many red candles are forming? Like I said, every candle we see in the market, it is always a constant fight between buyers and sellers. If you can see even small candles constantly having red, right, that takes a lot of power and a lot of bears to really be present. Okay, especially right after an opposite color. That means this is your order block. Hence why when price comes in, you're seeing very strong rejections. See how long is the wicks? See how many wicks. Can you see all of the candle that touch here has a wick on top? Okay, this is showing you how much of power this order block is holding. Hence the reason why price actually moved towards the downside. All right, so this order block is not very concerning because we did not see any strong push. Yes, this is one strong push, but again, this strong push here happened not because of this order block, but it's because of this red candle here. Okay, because this is the pause. After this opposite candle, then only we saw the strong push. And this strong candle zone has been disrespected without any issues. Okay? Without any issues, candle just went through and closed. There was a little bit of rejection, but after that, very next candle it closed ready through without any issues. So this one is not concerning anymore. This guy push is not because of the initial order block, it is because of this guy here. Okay, so that's why it's not very concerning, this one. But again, even though I say not very concerning, don't put it in your mind everything is 100% of what I say. I always keep referring and not referring, reminding you guys, I'm not any financial advisor or anything. I'm just a trader that has been doing this for over 3 years now. I'm just sharing you my market understanding based on my experience on years of trading. Okay, I should say different way, years and years of losing in the market, and then to the point that now I'm able to understand why I lose, hence why now I can win in the market lah. Okay, then maybe if I say this way is better. All right, so just based on this, I'm giving you guys my analysis and my understanding, but nothing I say, just put it in the back of your head, is 100%. All right, anything can happen in the market, even though, like I said, this order block is not strong. Suddenly, if we start to see price come here, okay, touch this, and then suddenly start to fly. Can also, regardless strong or not, it is still an order block. Okay, that is why once we enter, okay, I always tell you guys, don't put like textbook style. Okay, cage yourself. Oh, only if you reach this amount, then only I must take out the trade. Oh, if you reach this percentage, then only I must take out the trade. Oh, this much only, then I must set BE. Don't. Whenever you want to take out, you take out. As long as you don't lose in the commission, charge fee, everything, you take out. Okay, you want to hold until the end, hold. You want to hold until next year, hold. Okay, just remember how you manage your risk, how you protect your capital. Trading is a very complex thing already. Don't make it more complex. Okay, by putting numbers, putting rules, don't micromanage your trade. Feel free to trade. Okay, it is your own Rubik's Cube. How you solve it, up to you. I will teach you my own concepts, my secrets, my ideas. To be honest, not really a secret now. Majority I'm teaching online already. Okay, just like the way how I really trade, that one only my exclusive members will be notified lah about it. Okay, don't worry guys, I will do my best to make it by this week. Okay, because today also is Sivaratri, so tonight I don't think I can work on the slides. Maybe tomorrow I will continue to work on the slides. Today what day already? I've been at home for too long already, so I tend to forget the days. Today is Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday. All right. Maybe we can try to make our class this Saturday. But I will announce lah. Maybe just you guys can just be aware first. Like maybe the class will be on Saturday or Sunday lah. Saturday or Sunday. I will just let you guys know, especially in our Discord community lah. All right. Then I will let you guys know the time also where we can be attending this class. Okay, guys. There we go. London Low, I think will be taken out lah. Go, 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 go. I zoom in Kao so we can see it. See how near? Little bit more. You know how sad if from this point also then the market never go and take out London Low and then it went up. See if I off this where is it? Oh my god. Okay, let's zoom out a bit. Oh, okay. Market is still here. You are so close. Why give up now? Guys, don't be like this candle in trading, okay? If you guys are so close, never give up, okay? The moment you guys choose to give up, you see how much left. Just if you push, you guys will make it. Okay, this is a very good example. Thank you, candle. Maybe the candle just do this to show us the example. Okay, don't be like this candle. Be better than this candle. Okay. Also, another key thing that I can teach you guys, right? When certain areas, right, already pass through, right, disregard them from your drawing. Okay. If you guys, because you guys are going just starting off, right, I wouldn't recommend to remove most of the drawings that you do. Okay. Because I would recommend you journal them first. Like I said, the journaling one, don't worry. When we have our class, I will give you guys access to how you guys can journal all for free. And you guys can just take screenshot, put it in, key in your notes, done. Then you guys can just remove before the next trading day happens. Do not leave in all of this trading stuff. Okay, there's a reason behind, because based on my own personal experience, again this is again just advice. If you guys feel okay to just leave it there based on how you trade, feel free, because like I said, it's a Rubik's Cube. How you guys solve it, up to you guys. As long as it works for you, I'm very happy for you already. Based on my own personal experience, when I leave all of this stuff, okay, for example, this order block, I tend to pull it. Okay, when I pull it, the reason why is because whenever price comes back into this zone, based on price, how they react every time when they come to the order block, I usually expect the same thing. But most cases to none, not none lah, most cases lah, it doesn't. It changes. Okay? It doesn't respect the previous day, whatever I drew. Okay, it will start to change structure. It will start to change in terms of who is in control. That is when I start to learn who is in control is very important. Regardless how many times price has been respecting this order block zone, if the buyers that come in control are really adamant and really powerful, this order block, nothing can stop them, guys. It will just break through it. All right. Okay, I think now we're going to take out London low. Go, go, go. Okay, consider take out already, guys. Can you see? So cute. You just touch it. Go lah. Can you see how close? But actually, take out already lah. Okay lah, take out already lah, take out already lah. Yay, let us go take it out, guys. Woo! Okay lah. This one okay lah. Amazing trade. If you guys got take the trade, means congratulations. Okay. Basically, we captured this before this move even happened. Okay, so again, we'll be doing the same thing, especially for New York. Okay, around 10. Let me see, got any news or not today? Earlier I checked, but then I forgot already. Let me confirm. Because after that day, when you guys asked me, got news? I said very confidently, no news. But CC, I was saying the wrong time. After that day, better I just keep on making sure I double confirm. Today is 26, right? 26, 9:30. There is news, but it's not really a very big news. It's in yellow. Okay, I take screenshot. I show to you guys. Hold on. 11 only lah. We have this new home sale. Okay, again, it's not that kind of like effective news or whatever lah. Okay, because it's in orange, not yellow. So the red ones are the one that we have to look out for. Okay, so you see this one is actually in yellow in 9:30. So I don't think we will have much of impact in 9:30. Maybe market still be moving slow. So around 10 to 10:30 lah, I'll give you guys my analysis. Okay, and potentially where we will be looking for the market to head towards to. 11 o'clock or so, we will start to see after this news comes out, what will the market react. I don't think we will have a very strong reaction because of that, because it's not a red color news, but hence news is still news lah, so still something to look out for. Nice lah, guys. We went below London low already. I wish I already take this trade already. I usually don't take trade whenever I'm doing live stream lah, because I like to focus to share with you guys all of the stuff. And when I'm trading, I really like to focus also to really focus on my trade. Okay. Okay, guys. So I think I will end the live session here. I hope it was insightful for you as it was for me. All right. Just stay tuned for later on when New York session comes in. Again, I will give you guys my analysis, the prediction of where we think the market potentially will be heading to. All of it depends right now on where London will be closing and why London closed in a specific range. Okay. Once those things happen, then we'll be able to start analyzing and predicting where potentially New York will be going to next. Okay. The reason is because right now we're pending liquidity Asia high, not taken up. Okay, we also have London high. If London high take out, I'm pretty sure Asia high will take out also. So we just mark Asia high because it's so close to each other. Okay, no, it doesn't make sense if we just want to mark out London high and Asia high. Okay, and then we also have this New York low. Okay, where is you? Where are you? New York low. These are all the liquidity ranges on. So I want to see first which areas get swept of liquidity. Okay, how price will be moving, how price is reacting during New York session, and then I will let you guys know where potentially price will be heading to next. All right. But thank you guys again so much. Let me see if there's any more chat or not before I end the live stream. Thanks. Hold on. Let me start to. Thanks to this community, I won't give up easily. I appreciate that so much. Okay, thank you, thank you. It actually makes me very happy hearing that. My goal also is to make sure we build a very genuine and very positive trading community. So far, I'm seeing that in you guys. Thank you. Next time, me, buddy, because we support each other for sure. We have the same goal. Yes, we're all the same. Regardless, I'm teaching you guys or not, we're all the same in my eyes. That's why being with the right circle of people are important. Exactly. Shots are going strong. Yeah, look, look, look. Oh my god. Ah, so nice to trade this one. I hope you guys got enter lah. Okay, if no, also no worries. We can find one later during your session. Okay. No worries, no worries. See you all tomorrow. Yeah, Durga, thank you so much for joining. I will see you all in the next live. Okay. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream, guys. Hope you had a great one. Bye bye. Take care, guys.